Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fifth question in exercise 4.4. This question has 7 subdivisions, so let's start with the first one. If A is a 2 cross 2 matrix given as 8, 2, 3, 2, find determinant of adjoint A. So first let's write the matrix adjoint A, then we can find out the determinant value. Remember, for a 2 cross 2 matrix, we are going to swap these two numbers. So this is 2 and this comes as 8. As far as these two numbers are concerned, we change the sign. So this becomes minus 2 and this is minus 3. Now this is a matrix. So the determinant of this particular matrix, let's find out what is that value. So in this case, 2 into 8 is 16 minus 3 into 2 is 6. So it is 16 minus 6, which is equal to 10. So this answer that we need is 10 in the first subdivision. Now let's look at the next question. If A is a square matrix of order 3 and determinant A is equal to 5, then find adjoint of A. So this is a matrix of order they have given 3. So usually what is the value of adjoint of A? This is determinant of A to the power n minus 1, where n is going to be the order. So in this case, since it is 3, so 3 minus 1 is 2. So determinant of A is the whole squared, so which is equal to 25. So the answer that we are looking at for this particular question is 25. Now let's take up the third subdivision. If A is a non-singular matrix of order 3 such that adjoint of A's matrix is determinant is 64, find determinant of A. So you remember the formula. So this is what we're going to use here. Determinant of A to the power n minus 1 will be the matrix of adjoint of A. So this is given to be 64. We know the order is 3. That means this is going to be determinant of A, the whole squared. 3 minus 1 is 2. So the whole squared is equal to 64. So the determinant of A value can either be plus or minus of 8. So that is the answer. You have to accept both the answers. So write out it as plus or minus 8. Take up the fourth subdivision. If A is a square matrix of order 3 such that determinant of A is minus 2, then find determinant of 3 into adjoint of A. So first let's write out this. See, 3 we are going to bring out. So this will become 3 power n, where n is the order, into it is going to be determinant of adjoint of A. So if you further write this, this is going to be 3 cube into, remember adjoint of A is determinant of A to the power n minus 1. So in this case, it is going to be determinant to the power n is 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So 3 cube is equal to 27 into minus 2, because that is a value of determinant of A, minus 2 into the whole squared is going to be plus 4. So it is 27 into 4, which is equal to 108. Now let's look at the fifth question. If determinant of A inverse is equal to 5, then find the value of determinant of A. See, determinant of A inverse as 5 means determinant of A will be inverse of this number. So it is going to be 1 by 5. Now let's take up the sixth subdivision. If A is a 2 cross 2 matrix given as 2, 3, 5 and minus 2 such that A inverse is equal to Ka, find K. See, now A inverse is given to be equal to Ka. First let's find out what is that value of determinant of A. So this is 2, 3, 5 and minus 2. If you evaluate, it is minus 4 minus 15, which is equal to minus 19. And so now that they're given, A inverse is given to be K times of A. So usually A inverse formula is equal to 1 by determinant of adjoint of A. So in this case, if you compare with both, 1 by determinant of A is going to be the value of K. So K is going to be equal to 1 by determinant of A, which means it is 1 divided by minus 19. So the value that we are looking at is going to be K is equal to minus 1 by 19. Now let's look at the last subdivision. If A is into adjoint of A is given to be the 3 cross 3 matrix 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3. Then find the value of adjoint of A's matrix. So this is what is given to us. So first let's write out the formula that we need. So we know that A into adjoint of A, if I can simplify this matrix, it is nothing but 3 times of I, which means determinant of A is going to be equal to 3. Why? Because that is a formula. A into adjoint of A will be A inverse, right? So in that case, this part will be the determinant of A. So now determinant of A is 3, means we are asked to find out what is adjoint of A's determinant, which is nothing but determinant of A is to the power n minus 1. So in this case, 3 power n is equal to 3 because this is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So the final answer for this subdivision is 9. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 6th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.